You're working on a live line and taking a connection using this IPC. But why does it not electrocute you? Let's find out in this video. Hey everyone, my name is Sahil, and in today's video, we will discuss the safety of insulation piercing connectors with respect to live lights. But why should you listen to me? At Axis, we've been manufacturing a wide range of AV cable accessories and electrical hardware, including IPCs. Our products are trusted by more than 80 utilities across India, Africa, Latin America, and the world. So let's start with the basics. An insulation piercing connector is used to connect a branch cable to a main conductor without removing insulation. At Axis, we manufacture two main types of IPCs, the low voltage ones and the medium voltage ones for medium voltage common conductors. These connectors are used in overhead distribution networks for street lighting and service connections, where utilities often carry out installation without shutting down the line. This brings us to the main question. You're piercing a live cable, so how is it safe? The answer lies in four things: the product design, testing, installation, and application. Let's understand it from the design point of view first. The connector body is made of insulating material, so there is no direct access to any live part. The metal teeth that pierce the insulation are enclosed inside the connector, and it only makes contact with the conductor when the bolt is tightened. The tightened bolt is designed such that no live conductor parts are exposed, which means you do not come in contact with any type of live conductor during installation. Next, the high voltage test. Design alone is not enough. You need to verify it through testing. This test is used to check whether the insulation can withstand the high voltage stress, especially during fault conditions. As per NSE 33020, the connector must hold a specified high voltage for defined time without any breakdown. In this test, if the HV tester trips before the required time, the sample has failed, and this means that the IPC could not withstand the required high voltage level. As you can see for the Axis IPC, the tester did not trip and the connector held 6 kV for 60 seconds. This confirms that the insulation meets dielectric requirements. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on electrical engineering. Now, the installation of the IPC. Even a well-designed product can become unsafe if it is installed incorrectly. You must use insulated tools which are specifically designed for light working. The installation should be done under off-load conditions where the main line is light but the branch cable is still de-energized at the moment of connection. Initially, the branch cable should be inserted inside the connector and the exposed end of the branch cable must be sealed using the insulated cap. Last thing, the application. ITCs are designed for overhead distribution networks such as horizontal cables, common conductors, and street lighting connections. They are not intended for indoor wiring or meter connections. In such applications, tightening the IPC would apply rotational and pulling forces on the conductor, which will disturb existing terminations and the meter or distribution board. This will lead to loose connections, overheating, and long-term reliability issues. So, are IPCs safe for live line working? Yes, they're safe, but they're safe when your IPC is properly tested and you must use the correct tools and follow the right installation process and use a connector in the right application and adhere to approved live line working practices. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how IPCs work on live lines. At Axis, our team of over 50 engineers is ready to support your project for AV cable accessories, lux connectors, earthing and lichen protection, and many more electrical hardware. But before you move on to another video, you should watch these two videos to understand the correct installation process and the testing procedures for insulation piercing connectors.